Intro. Welcome back to another earnings breakdown. Today, we are analyzing the Q4 FY26 standalone results for Bharat Coking Coal Limited, or BCCL. Let's dive into the numbers. Total income. Total income stood at 3839.50 crore. Revenue from operations was 3282.95 crore. And other income was 556.55 crore. Quarter-on-quarter growth came in at 8.48%. Year-on-year, it declined by 7.52%. Sequential recovery is visible, but YoY pressure remains. Expenses. Total expenses for the quarter were 3,820.56 crore. Employee costs dominated at 1,844.46 crore. Other expenses stood at 1,398.97 crore. Raw material cost was 153.75 crore. High manpower and operational costs continue to dominate. Profit before tax. PBT stood at 18.94 crore. The company has turned positive on a quarter-on-quarter basis. However, year-on-year, it is still down by 70.50%. Recovery is visible, but still early stage. Profit after tax. Net profit came in at 27.28 crore. PAT margin stood at 0.83%. Profit turned positive quarter-on-quarter. However, it declined by 58.98% year-on-year. Margins remain tight, but improving. Earnings per share. EPS for the quarter was 0.06 rupees. This is a recovery from negative levels last quarter. However, it is still down by 57.14% year-on-year. Summary. BCCL shows a clear sequential recovery in revenue and profitability. However, year-on-year performance remains weak. Margins are still compressed. Cost control will be the key going forward. See you in the next breakdown. Disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Please consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions.